We have the repaired System 80 all back together. There's some of the chips that were replaced on it. So I'll try it running on my test monitor here. Ready. Okay. $16K memory, and let's load a memory test program that I use on all TRS-80 systems. The cassette deck works well. Should get our there's the asterisks indicating loading. This program fortunately is very small, so it only takes about 15 seconds or so to load. Yep, that's loaded. Okay. H&E Computronics memory test program. Let's do a video test first. Successful. ROM check. Checksums will all be a little bit different because of the difference between the Dick Smith ROM and the TRS-80 Model 1 ROM. And we'll do a RAM test. And we'll do a long one. So it's checking through memory space 48FC through to 7FFF. This is going to take some time, so I'll come back soon when it's getting towards the end of the test, but it'll go through and complete it. The memory test on these is one of those cyclic ones that just cycles over and over again, so we can see that it's gone from 0 all the way to FF, starting again, and it's on its way. Anyway, basically this computer's fine now, all fixed. I'm going to put it back together, pack it, and organise to get it sent back. So that was an interesting project. A lot of messing around with the circuit boards. At first I thought it was a power supply issue, and but once it settled down, replaced the keyboard cable, was giving some problems. These always never sit properly, but cleaned them up, and they're still good as gold. Character generator was faulty. A gate for character generation then turned out to be another problem with it. The ROMs, which you can't see that sit under here, suffered from byte rot, so I put another set in. But this one will live for another day, so all good. It's its top there for those interested. Alright, have a successful day in the workshop. Thanks for watching.